Welcome to the third episode of Tinkercad, Absolute Basics. In this episode, we will create a dice. I will talk about what I'm doing and I will do it, and you can do this along with me. So place a cube. When you simply place a cube, it will be 20 long, 20 wide, and height also is 20. Let's keep it that way. And then click on it. Then you will see a pop-up window like this. There, increase the radius to say 5 is too much. We'll make it 3. So that the corners are all rounded, edges are also rounded. Now comes the challenge of placing numbers. We will place numbers. So what we will do is, we will type 1 and height is 10. Let's change the height to 5. Height, we will make it 2. Okay. Height is 2. And click on it and make the height to the thickness, we made it 2. And this one, we will make it, say, 8. And width. Okay. So height of the letter is 8 and width is 5. What we need to do is, we need to place this one here. That is the challenge. So for that, what you need to do is, click on the Workplane tool and keep it here. And click on drop. Okay, then this one is now on top of this work plane. What you can do is, you can place it like this and take the top view. Okay, and select both, click on align and click on this, click on this. So it is centered, but we don't want a projecting number. So what we will need to do is, we will push it in 1 millimeter. Okay, see, 1 millimeter we pushed it in. And then, while this one is selected, make it a hollow and select both and group it. So now if you see, we have a nicely engraved one on one side. You can click on it and click on hollow and see how it is. Okay. So 1 is over. Now on the opposite side of 1, we need 6. So we will first get rid of the work plane and turn this like this, 180 degrees. Leave your trackpad or mouse only after you reach exactly 180. So I flipped it over. So if you click and see, 1 is on the bottom side. Okay. Now let's take text again. Thickness, we will make it 2. And opposite of 1 is 6. And height is 8. And width is 5. Okay. And what we need to do is, we need to click on the work plane, place the work plane, and select 6 and click on drop. It is now lying on the work plane, which is on the top. Now you place it here and take the top view, select both objects and do the alignment. That is done. Then move this in 1 millimeter and click on it, make it hollow and select both and click on group or Control G or Command G. So we have now engraved 6 and 1. If you click hollow, you will be able to see 1 and 6. See this? Okay, so now on all other numbers, we need to place it on each side. So let's take these numbers, thickness 2 and number 2, height 8, width 8, and here itself we can duplicate by pressing Command D and change these numbers to 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, how do we place this? That is also a challenge. Let's get rid of the work plane. Remember, these are all floating at this level. So now, turn this like this 90 degrees and take 2. We can slide 2 like this and get the top view. Click on Align. Okay, that is aligned. And now make it hollow and we'll group it. Okay, so 2 is done. Now we will turn it this way 90 degrees and actually it is complicated. You need to practice this. So in the second day of our Tinkercad workshop here in Trivandrum, we make the students do this. So this is a very good exercise. So let's align 3 and then push it in 1 millimeter, make it a hole and group it. Okay, so that is done. Now let's turn this again 90 degrees. And select both after placing align. Okay, that is 4 is aligned and we will push it in by 1. Select 4 and make it hollow and we will group it. So that is also done. Let's turn it 90 degrees. Let's slide our 5 and let's align both. Okay, and let's now push it in 1 millimeter, make it a hole, and group it. Okay, so we have our dies ready. See this? If you click on hollow, you will see all the numbers. See this? And if you press shift and zoom, you can make it a big dice and we can 3D print this. Okay. You can even put your name. In our workshop, we'll ask the students to put their name also in an engraved form in the dice. And we let them print. Okay, so remember to name your projects so that you will be able to look for them when you want them. That is it. Thank you for your time. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you in another video. Bye-bye. This summer, don't let screens win. Let your child design in 3D, print their creations, and build a real obstacle-avoiding robotic car. Join online or at our Trivandrum Maker Lab. Summer starts April 6th. Book your seat now.